Please welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to see the live on TikTok. What is that option for you see all the live, like the people you follow and the people in the algorithm. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok, and here you got the option of the down bar, like home, explore, inbox, profile. This is the options, the basic options of TikTok, and you got here the feed of TikTok, like the basic feed. But you need to go to the superior part of that feed, where it said for you following friends, and here in the left corner, in the superior left corner, you got the option of live. So you need to pick here, and that's it. You got the people who are in live right now, and you can see all that people in the live. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.